Alright guys, so today we're going to go with another 3-color pour. I got a deep forest green, a pre-mixed offline, a gray silver, and a pearl white. So pour them into our cup here. I love this little 3 color holder cup. I got it off of Temu. Very inexpensive. I think it was like $3, $2. You can get 3-color, 4-color. I think you can even get a 5-color one. So I check it out if you're trying to save a couple dollars. All right, get all that there. Put those off to the side. We'll bring the mold over here. We're going to make another bowl mold. This time I'm using darker colors. Figure something better than the normal pastel colors that I've been using. So just pour it in slow. Let it do its thing. The slower you pour it in, the less bubbles you're going to introduce. There are a couple points at the end of this bowl. I haven't had any issues yet with the resin not getting into that, but there's always the possibility if you introduce the resin too fast. As you can see, there are some bubbles coming to the surface. So what we'll do is just do a little tap. Not too much because I don't want to mix the colors up, but I do want to get the air out. All right. What we'll do, let that sit, and we'll come back in 24 hours and see what it looks like. All right, guys. So this is the results from the 3-color pour yesterday. This is the green, white, and silver I used. Now this mold is kind of tricky to get things out of, so give me a second here. Came out a little easier than the last time. All right, got that out. Let's turn the mold back in. This is the colors from the outside. Still needs to cure a little. It's still a little soft, but you can see the backside. I got some bubbles, but you know, I don't have a pressure pot, so that's why I have the bubbles in it. So let's see what the inside looks like. Wow, turned out really nice. The white didn't show up at all, more the silver and the green. So you can almost say it was like, oh, there's some white. There's white there. Very hint of white. I actually like this because I'm from the Philadelphia area and I am a huge football fan. So colors were not intentional. It was just 3 colors that I threw together. But these are the final results of it. I hope you guys like. Please like, share, comment, and I'll see you for the next one.